So today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to get this red shimmery halo sort of eye. This is using the Focallure Twilight palette, which I'll be reviewing with two other palettes and their loose pigments in another video because I want to keep the video separate so it's not too long. The review video will be coming up. Stay tuned. Anyway, let's get on to the tutorial. As usual, I'm applying primer first, but instead of setting it with powder, I'm setting it with Camel instead. I'm applying it all over my lids all the way to my brows. I don't really recommend this because the formula isn't great and I had a harder time blending this way than if I had to use a powder underneath. Next, I'm grabbing Tangerine and blending it on with a fluffy blending brush, making sure I can see it even when my eyes are open. Every now and then, I'm going back in with Camel just to make sure I get the smoothest blend ever. Now I'm applying Amber with the same fluffy blending brush below Tangerine and blending the two colors together. I go back and forth between the two colors to get the blend smooth. With a pencil brush, I'm applying Tiramisu where I want the top of the halo to be. Make sure it's high enough that it still shows up when you open your eyes, but remember, the higher it is, the more unnatural it looks. If this line looks too harsh, blend Amber over it with a fluffy blending brush to soften it. With a concealer, cut the halo. Make a sort of semicircle shape, but only do it in the center. Pat on Twilight Lavender over the concealer. Next, grab Tiramisu again and apply it to the edges of Twilight Lavender with a flat eyeshadow brush, blending the two colors together so there's no hard edges. Dab into the palace with your finger and pat it right in the middle of Twilight Lavender to make the halo even more dramatic. To figure out your liner placement, see how the outer part of your lower lash line starts to slant up? Line your brush along that line, tap and drag down. This is going to be the bottom part of your wing. Connect that to your eye in a smooth slope. Apply lashes. Grab a pencil brush and rose veil, and see the spot roughly at the center of your lower lash line? We're going to line it but widen it towards the outer part, going all the way to the bottom of your wings. This widens your eyes and balances out the lashes. Line the inner half of your lower lash line with Sunray. With your finger, pat on Naked on your inner corner and you're done! If you're wondering what I'm doing to cover up that pimple patch, well, I'm just adding tons of glitter. Pimple patch hidden! And that's it. I hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. And turn on notifications if you want to know when my next Focallure reviews will be coming up. I hauled hard from Focallure. I bought over $200 worth of products. So I'll be reviewing it in 3 different reviews because it's going to be so long. Anyway, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.